Yeah. You gotta go get your helmet. Yeah. Everybody! It's not gonna do much good.
Pace and hydrate. Pace and hydrate. Drink, drink, drink.
I'll be lucky to get out of this groove. Just a quick word to everybody.
You have to wait till everybody gets much closer.
One guy's all the way up. Wow, this is huge. We got 115, 116. We blew out the 100 number big time.
We blew it out, Alan. 115.
150! 100!
So, well, don't matter. Go back.
Cars!
Hopefully everybody read what it said on the back of the route slip. Rubber side down, shiny side up. Cars are bigger than you are, don't fight them. Stay safe, have fun. Go out there and have a blast. We'll see you out on the road and come back and have fun at Chiefs this afternoon.
And we'll see you around the clock. We're going to
And,
see everybody at the party.
No passing the big man until you get onto the 101.
Yeah, please don't run me over.
All right, you guys. Hold on.
Ready to roll!
Okay, let's roll.
Thank you all for helping out and supporting us.
Okay, we're gonna come on. Nobody's looking.
Thank you guys.
Woo! Hey Perry.
Hey Perry.
Hey Perry. Hey Ginger.
Hey Greg.
Thank you guys.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, roll them.
Thank you guys. See you, DJ.
See you later.
Have fun, you guys!
Have fun. Enjoy. Jeff, I'll see you out there. All right, Harley. I'm coming.
I'm coming back.
All right.
Have a good run!